Imagine having to choose between putting food on your plate or a roof over your head. Which would you pick? Even though that decision may seem impossible, it's a reality for many vulnerable communities in Central Florida. Throughout 2023, the American Heart Association took action to change that. In collaboration with the Winter Park Housing Authority, the association helped more than 600 people in our community. Many of these people are disabled, older adults who struggle to make ends meet.
So our community impact team often partners with clinical and community organizations to implement sustainable health changes. So our work with Winter Park Housing Authority was an example of a community initiative. So the initiative here was kind of threefold. So we're targeting critical health needs as they relate to high blood pressure, nutrition security, and tobacco vaping cessation.
More than 500,000 people in Central Florida don't know when or where they will get their next meal. That's enough people to fill Disney's Magic Kingdom 5 times. But hunger is not the only challenge our communities face. Smoking, high blood pressure, and many other risks are also widespread. These health barriers increase the community's risks of heart disease, which causes more than 20% of deaths in Florida. The association's initiative has provided community members with life-changing education, screenings, and referrals. People received blood pressure monitors and guidance for self-measurement, information on cardiovascular health, and referrals to clinics. They were also screened and connected to local food pantries, programs to quit smoking, and public health and nutrition resources.
So as someone who's born and raised in Orlando, it's a special thing to be able to work at the Heart Association and give back to the different communities that raised me, right? I've often driven by the Winter Park area, and I didn't know that the Housing Authority existed until my role here. So it's just interesting and inspiring, I think, to kind of uncover all of the people who are working to make our community a better place and working with them to, support the work that they do.
The initiative will continue to impact health equity in Central Florida, empowering people to live longer, healthier lives.